Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of a Pearl bath bomb bath box. So this is their monthly subscription. It's $32.95, so it's the same price as Fragrant Jewels. Typically you get 2 to 3 items, so this is for the month of September, and you can look online and see what you're getting ahead of time. So this first item is one of their new products. It's an energy shower steamer, and there's 4 of them in there. It comes in a really nice plastic container. And the scent is grapefruit and bergamot. It says how to use. Place shower steamer near the corner of the shower or drain, allowing it to be splashed but not directly hit by the water, and breathe it in. So it has essential oils in it. So I'm excited for that. So there's no ring in that item, obviously. But then we have 2 bath bombs. I'm going to pull them out and move this aside. So this one is an espresso ring bath bomb. I have not done a reveal of that one. I do have several demos for Pearl bath bomb on my channel, and they typically don't update their products all that often. So what I've been doing with this bath box, I thought I would try it for a few months, and if it's something I haven't done, then you'll see a demo for it. But if it's one I have done, I've been collecting those, and I'm gonna do like bath art and throw them all in the tub. So this one has some espresso beans. It smells really good. Definitely smells like coffee. And then we have sweet pumpkin cinnamon. It's a pumpkin spice latte. Don't think I've tried this one either, so both new ones for me. So let's see here. It's got 2 stickers on it. Pumpkin spice latte. Let me take a whiff of it. Yeah, that's a really nice fall scent. So I will be doing demos for these on my channel. I'll probably let you know next month what I thought of those energy steamers, because I'm definitely going to use those. And I'll at least get this box a couple more times. But let me know what you guys think. Do you want to still see these, or what do you think of Pearl bath bombs? Let me know in the comments below. Or if there's a different company you want to see me do some reveals for, let me know that too. I'd be happy to hear from you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.